Hi, welcome back. So bold and italics text is what we have discussed in our last video. And there are several other tags, predefined tags in HTML that will give you different types of text designs. So we will discuss one by one in this video. So this line will be strong text, and this line 24 I need 24 power 2, which is 24 square. So I need script of 2 here. This 2 must be superscript, and 55 and base 10, this 10 must be subscript. Emphasized text. So I'm giving BR to make sure every different style comes in every new line, so that it is easy to view. You should differentiate the styles, differentiate and identify the styles. This is small text. Deleted text. This is inserted text. So now every other line, every line is just a simple text without any formatting. Now we will give corresponding tags. Strong text will contain strong tag. 24 power 2, so that it must be coming in superscript sup/sup, which means 24 power 2 and 55 base 10, so subscript. Emphasized text will carry a tag of em. Obviously tag small. Del tag, and this is inserted text ins. So we will reload the page and see the changes. So this is simple text before adding all these default tags. Now we can find the difference. Strong text 24 power 2, 55 base 10, emphasized text, small text, deleted text, and inserted text. So these are the all available different types of designs in fonts, designs of text in HTML. Hope this video is helpful. In case any queries, you can leave a comment below. We will reply. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting us.